Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2022 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, fog lamps, Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.